Hello, and today from one gardener to another gardener, I want to share with you the tomato hook. This is not an advertisement, but from one gardener to another gardener, I want to share my invention using this simple hook to attach your tomato plants to your trellis. But there is a twist to it, and I'll show you why. So we're going to take this simple, strong aluminum wire and twist it to this shape so we can attach it easily to give your plant the proper support without hurting it, and it's reusable for years to come, and it's also so strong that it will hold your plant up in heavy winds. When we plant our beautiful tomato plants next to our trellis, we always install our trellis first. Now when we have that tomato plant growing nice and healthy in front of it, we have to give it the proper support it needs so it can build a nice strong stem, because it can have heavy winds and rain actually cause damage to the stem. That's why this tomato support is easy to use, easy to make, and give the proper support to your plant. Just come in from the side, loop around the tomato stem itself, slide it up into position, hook it onto the trellis, and you can always crimp down the edge too, like so, to hold it in place. Now that tomato plant is free to move around a little bit so it doesn't do too much damage to it. And once installed, the tomato plant can grow freely taller and also getting larger inside the loops and will not cause any stress to the plant. Now feel free to create your own design. This is just a simple hook. Now we can just attach that to the trellis, and if we have some tomatoes growing and wish to support them properly, we can just take it and just fold it in there like so, and it will support at least up to 10 pounds of tomatoes hanging off the vine without bending that aluminum hook. So how do we make the tomato hook? We first purchased this item here. It's actually called a chain link fence aluminum tie. They use it on fencing throughout the United States, and this is what holds the chain link fence to the post. It's very strong. And also when you're buying it, make sure that you find out the thickness here is actually, it should be 9 gauge. It should be that thick. It shouldn't be any more or any less. So now we're going to take something that we normally have around the house, a broom handle, like so, and we're going to use that broom handle because it's the perfect size. It's about 1 inch in diameter, and we're going to simply just take our aluminum tie here and twist it around the broom handle. I'm going to use a pair of pliers just to hold it in position, and then simply just wrap it around the handle like so. It's going to take a little bit of effort, and there you have it. Something nice and easy, and just give yourself plenty of room so you can slide it off. You can open it up or twist it off like so, and then you can just readjust it again, and then you have your twist and your new tomato hook. And if you have any concerns, your tomato plant is going to go right through it. You can see that it's a full circle way around. There's no way that tomato plant can come out in either direction. It can move around a little bit, but that's okay. But again, it cannot come out of those loops. You can see, again, it's a full circle and there's no way of it sliding out. So if you're looking for a better solution to tie up your tomato plants, or if you're growing, let's say, large squash or small watermelons on a trellis and you need something heavy duty to support it, the tomato hook is the answer. Just give it a twist and it will support your plants in the proper way. Now I wish to thank you very much for watching today's video. If you haven't done so, please like it and share it with your friends, and also to leave a comment below what you use to tie up your tomato plants with or other things in your garden. Thank you and have a great day.